No wala. What now?
Finish that for now.
All right. We came for a very special inspection because we had this bridge that we inherited, and we felt it's very important that we put this bridge to use. Where we're standing on is a bridge that is connecting Akpoti-Uduaghan, Ahoad East, and the local government area that we walked into, which is Emohua, and the community that is connected to this bridge is Agba-Ndele. So what we're trying to do here is to save man-hour. Instead of running through the east-west road to Ahoad Express and start running into heading into Port Harcourt or exiting Port Harcourt, this bridge provides an easy access for the Akpoti-Uduaghan people to cross into Emohua, Agba-Ndele, and immediately they access the east-west road, and less than 10 minutes or 20 they should be heading to Uniport and into the town. I want to say this. I've been getting report on the progress of job, but I felt I should come and assess myself and see what they are doing. And you can see the level of trekking and other maneuver that we did to get to this place. I need to say it clearly. One of the purpose of our government is ensuring that we do everything right, ensure there is value for money. I can say here quite already that the contractor that we gave the job of the road from the bridge to the east-west road is not doing a good job, and I'm not happy about it. When I get back, I think there will be need for me to review that contract, because I'm not impressed. If I should borrow the words of my Oga, they don't have the capacity. So I need the capacity, because whatever money we're spending, we should have value for money. But so far, I can tell you that I'm really impressed with what I've seen on the bridge, by the level of work and the expertise of Sotraco. I'm very sure that before the end of January, it might be completely free for us to walk through and even drive across. Our vision is to connect the entire River State together. Moreover, those people who have challenges of connectivity, and you can see that the bridge here is an access to connecting the Akpoti-Uduaghan, the Ahoad East, into the Emohua, into the main city, Port Harcourt. I think the idea of this whole project and many other projects is to make River State a more, let me say, movement and proximity should be very easy, and you know what it means. It also brings economic development, movement of goods and services, man hour not spent so much on the road again, and our economy will also grow because agriculture is so much on this side. So its movement of their goods to the main city won't be a problem. At the end of the day, it's a growth for the economy of the state. Thank you. Tactically, we're touching all the local government. This particular one has to do with Ahoad, Abua, and Emohua. We still have other ones that we're doing in Emohua. We still have somebody just drew my attention to the deplorable state of the Ahoad Road. We'll come into that. As a matter of fact, we'll add it to our budget of 2026.
Thank you for coming to Mexico. We are happy to see you. The youth president, we are happy to see you. We are happy to see you. We are happy to see you. Yes, sir. Open up. Number 3 village. That is that village. Just wait.
Jay.
At that time, you could not award us yet this job by that time. This is it. I continue. Advance. The shoes. Let them bring the shoes. Easy. Easy. Yeah, easy. It's okay. Perfect. This is separating each span on the other. And what will remain is these spans and they have punches. So all the beams have been launched totally, everything is what remain is 5 spans. Our plan is, as per your instruction, just hopefully we'll try our best to finish it 1 span every week, which means by December ending we will cast all the bridge. In January we will install the walkway and the parapets, and we are done by God's grace. This is what is taking time in hospital. This one is in the air. You see, you have to cast it in the air like that. When you are installing the reinforcement, you are installing them in between the beams one by one from the outside. And the design is a little bit tough, but thank God we have almost finished all our obstacles.
Clear.
Yes, sir. We're trying to clear. Playing ground on top of what I do.
No.